Everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, I'm here with another video to show you how you can download the application Good Budget on your Android smartphone. Good Budget is a budgeting software based on the envelope method. You can make envelopes for all of your budgeting categories like rent, groceries, going out, date nights, etc. Everything is a really good app to keep track of the expenses throughout your life. Just go to the search bar and simply type in Good Budget. After the result pops up, it is the first application that is shown. Just tap on it, and it will take you to the new screen where you can see the Install button in front of the screen. Now, tap on Install, and the application will be installed on your phone depending upon the speed of your network connection. As you can see, now the application has been installed on my smartphone. Now, you can open the app and use its features to keep track of your day-to-day expenses. I hope this